2. Microphone check, check, 1, 2. As 360 booth operators, we're gonna come across all types of challenges and obstacles and, well, issues, and those all are synonyms pretty much. By the way, my name is David Rodriguez. If it's your very first time here on this channel, hello and welcome. This channel is all about providing you guys with valuable information that's gonna help you with your 360 booth business. In fact, if you are ready to start your 360 booth business, in the description, you will have access to our trusted suppliers. These are verified suppliers, and I bought my 100 centimeter booth directly from this supplier, which is why I'm confident in them, and I am sharing this with you. And this is one of the reasons why this channel really took off and blew up, is because I'm sharing everything, baby. Like, there's no reason to keep anything a secret. In fact, today we're going to be covering a very important topic, and that's how do you deal with issues when something goes wrong. Now, this past weekend, I had 2 events, one on a Friday and one on a Saturday. On one of the events, I was having issues with touch picks, and so what happened is when I was done and I sent out the video link, one of the clients reached out to me and said this. I'm going to go ahead and read these emails to you guys because I want you guys to be prepared so that if this happens to you, you guys can handle it in a prudent, professional manner. Okay, guys? So this email is from Jackie. Jackie writes, "Hello, I was at Caden and Chloe's grad party last night. When my cousin sent me the link to all the photos, mine was not in there. It was one of the first ones we did with my little son, my mom, and my sister. I was in a striped dress and my son was wearing a chain. I was curious if maybe it didn't save or maybe it didn't download to the link it was sent." So I do remember this family. I remember most of the families that go on the platforms because it's interesting. Even though I'm not great with names, I do remember almost every person that got on the booth. That's just something that comes naturally to me, I guess, because we're having such a beautiful moment and it's a unique moment that it really stays in my brain. So I received this email this same night, and I opened up this email when I was at IHOP by myself having a really late dinner, just kind of recapturing and retrospecting about how my event went, right? So then while I was there waiting for my food at the IHOP, I wrote, "Hello, Jackie. Yes, I remember your video because the chain looked so big on your baby and it made me smile. It's not in the master gallery. I triple checked already and there's no other downloads pending. I really don't know why I didn't save to the gallery after the recording. We pay a lot of money for the subscription software called TouchPix, which is used at every event. At this point, all I can do is reach out to their tech support team during the weekday when they are open. I'll email you back on Monday after I check with them. I feel terrible for the fact that I love capturing beautiful moments. Yours truly, David Rodriguez." So basically in this email, I'm letting her know, one, it's like I'm on it. I'm taking care of the problem and I'm going to try to find a solution. And this is when I plan on finding a solution, and this is when I plan on returning your phone call or getting back to you with an update. So make sure you guys are informing your clients and letting them know exactly what you want to do or what you're going to do, and also let them know that you are aware of everything they are providing as far as information goes. So basically that way they know that you know the exact issue and you are going to solve their issue. Okay, so it's important that you let them know when you're going to be calling them or emailing them back as well, so they're not thinking, when is he going to call me back? Is it going to be Wednesday or Friday? So make sure you guys are giving your customers. Most important takeaway from this, guys, is set the expectation. That's one thing I learned in corporate. In the corporate world, when you're in customer service, you learn how to set the expectation. So this is really what it's truly about, is setting the expectation. So then Jackie emailed me yesterday, which was a Sunday. She wrote, "Thank you so much. I hope we can find it. If anything, we would just retake one in August. My sister's probably going to use you guys for her 21st birthday." So now I got this email. Now I'm a little relieved because they're actually considering rebooking us again for her sister's 21st birthday. Okay, so Monday comes around. This is the moment when I shot this video is on a Monday. So I reached out to TouchPix, and I also sent an email back to Jackie, and this is what my email says. Let me go ahead and move this to this side here, guys. All right, so in the email I wrote, "Good morning, Jackie. Thank you so much for your patience. I just got off the phone with TouchPix support. After 30 minutes of research and troubleshooting, I was not able to retrieve your video. For this, I am very sorry. Most of my background has been in customer service, and I want you to know I really value your feedback. You took the time out of your busy schedule to bring this matter to my attention, and so you have given me the opportunity to become a better 360 booth operator. I would love to be part of your sister's upcoming 21st birthday. Jackie, if you're okay with it, I would like to offer your sister $100 off her booking. I owe you an amazing video, so I hope you guys give us the opportunity to show up to your party. I hope to hear from you soon. Yours truly. And the very bottom there, as you guys can see, I added a screenshot of my call to TouchPix just to kind of show the client that I really try to go up and bat for them and try to make this right. But there's only so much we can do in life. And I think what's most important about this is that we did our best, and sometimes there's going to be situations where you guys can't reverse time, right? That's fact. So the best thing to do, guys, is one, with your customers, always set the expectation. Two, have a clear line of communication, whether it's through email, text messages, or a phone call. A lot of you guys are jumping into the business and you might be getting text messages from your clients or DMs from your clients. You guys see those DMs or those messages come in and you guys think to yourselves, well, I'll go ahead and answer later. And then you answer later. And then now you're going back and forth, but there's going to be a delay in your response. Please minimize that delay, because you're not text messaging your friends. You're not DMing your crush. It's nothing like that. This is business. And because it's business, you guys need to be quick to answer every single time you get a message from your client or your potential client. Because remember, guys, as this industry grows, there's going to be new competition, and this is how you stand out, by being very quick and setting the expectation. I hope this video helps you guys. I know some of you guys came across similar issues this past weekend, so I wanted to share this just to let you know that it's not, every event is not going to be perfect. I mean, in some cases, we are going to get extremely lucky and everything's going to be smooth as butter, but there's going to be more situations that are going to help us grow, and this was one of the situations that I had to go through that I'm sharing with you guys in hopes that it's going to add value to your upcoming, issue, if you have one, with your client. So I hope this video helps. I got more videos coming for you guys, because after being on the phone with TouchPix for almost 30 minutes, I got some new information, guys. It's really, it's good. I like this information. I'm gonna share it with you guys in the next video, so stay tuned in. And remember, guys, our Facebook group is growing because everyone's helping each other out. So the link to our Facebook group is also in the description below. I'll see you guys there. Bring all your questions over to the Facebook group. All right, guys, stay rocking and stay producing wonderful 360 videos. Peace out.